our vetting committee etnase na drew the Chief Justice nominee lawyer for Bafuboni so and I was a vetting ma SMP ekusi a vetting committee so nenu na ade chin lawyer na je Bafu ewa MP for Menchia South Abadin Sembia Balotubia ewo niema ekoso baba vetting committee etnase no was it minority no omatena say the key decision say omode vetting committee no ebe court na mensensem bia na ekoso ko so mo hwe nsama ekoso na edu time minority so bisa question answer contribute na the committee no intimidate omo owi na anso so mo wia na mo wia na mo enso wa omo sa de the nominee no Justice Bafuboni ono so omo ne no bi kapa mo madwuma no ayedin amano say approve ni pa ida so mo ndoko tana say yomo ewo mutimu na omo beye and send the lawyer edibi to ya pa na yen sembre no ebe kwa kuti lawyer ensama wadi to ya na yiwia ya kanu edoba aba be kama for adwinche ekọ comment section ho un subscribe so na subscribe ya my like it na share ma fu fanzo ndo media yi FunnTV GH
se asemba omun pese ye bekabi enti usha ebra chief of staff etro krata se wapun Ghana fo enkwada a sebi ibiye ye ba ibiye ye nuanom ibiye me ye wofa asefo ibiye ye busuafo a omo yire ewoku ewoma a sebi adwuma eno mo koye abehwe wo mu no chief of staff a ye feri Julius Debra etro krata se wapam omo efri adwuma mu no the call parliament saying ke pese e kan ho asem na Ghana fo ye mra chebidwafo no ye bubu mu na sebi sie ye hu bibi a ya ye no NDC fo ka kire ye se omum premier kan ho asem fi se minia na enida na boache eye ye party organizer edis asem no akodan court enirada yebedi chief justice so abubu yanhwese yebegina tunse chief justice a eno NDC for say eno de omobekoso even do eno so hu asem ewo court etiye ne kirewo ade e kirewo ne se omayo madwen se asem ba esanse omodo so nti esanse speaker woti adwam oye omudipa isan se sebi ayo bu se Ghana for edi numbers no inkunya bibiri wo parliament edi abo woni nti no ni omo peso ye ka enu ye beka ni omo pese ye beka bi omo moye kwan enu ye nka bi enti sebi kabi ma menka bi no enu no democracy ese sebi enyado sebi ekronto edom kuma no de omo pese omo ka yebe mo kwan amema ka na emum ye dooso nti na ye de numbers no aye de pese ye we de da bi de mo pese mo ka bi ye ma mo ka bi anna de pese ye eno so na ye be ye me pa cho eno na nyira isi hon na eba ne sa ni ye hye omo se de obo posture ni ye hye ni omo pese omo ye so wo hwe ye dru ba bi me ma me nsa so se me pese me ka bi suddenly omo se me nye ekruna ye be appointment committee no me nka ho nanso munyina mo hwe hu a since I call parliament they be a beveti attorney general a beveti chief justice a beveti justices of the Supreme Court mitmu bi am ye veti and so nyira dade omuso mo mamenye de enkebi nti hwedin a nkofo na jom de ba ni so omumiye nkasa na se omumaye nkasa de na ebesi wanhwe a na pintin bi esi na ano a ema basabasa ba ya Ghana fo ebo anyo yeso na ebi akusi nti hwedi ese no se be be faso wie kwan so na ya mo kwan na de omo peso omo ye no omaye enti enura de ba ye no and say, yet last year, Baba Yanua, the Abaka Kusi Amagada for who say a Quamanam solo, and yet, then so a yadi of baby Akabi, it is Abia, yet the Anua Simina, the Tokrat, so no, Sebe, Yabagana for who tributo, yeah, no, sorry, near Jaw, but by the over Aka, into Ganadi, who you don't.
Ghana's democracy and our justice delivery system. I say a shaking the kakrana, a wusu ne fapim. Yedi tintim no na kakrana. Bibri,
I wusu pa, and say, waiting bra ibikayan, Chief Justice B, Sebi, Obeji approval, only the approval of the minority. Na yaba nipa bi ya folks wodwe say NDC for sebe enyado omusisi do so nti omugira ho ba Ghana for dom bibiri enti sa misel seat na do so nanso ohwe nipa yenye gira ho ma wo mu a e kan ya me se ene omudi akra anyepa ebe bro mode so gate na make asa ebe aye koto abano ye we need 88 seats in parliament and so the number of constituencies are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 77 nanso Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 41%. So what I say and ye 88 seats it so we should be different no Ubehu say, ye nipa eto abama ye parliamentarians ye parliament no ebu ye mash ye papa doctor enyaye. It is ocean real numbers ye numbers wo parliament nipa ye jina wo homa wo no ebu 41%. So what I say, it is ocean ye numbers nipa ye jina wo ma wo mu se mda shebi dwafo a na wo di NDC for di nyina abubu ene omodi anye pa omonse bibiri ana se bi betumi kura ye den asene wo mu so ati ase enti de metrem na kusini se epia omoye 187 but nipa yen 88 ni gina ho ma wo mu no sebi eni nipa omu gina ho ma wo mu no sebi anye ka enya dia obubetiri bibiri enti enye se seats nti na tese omuburu yeso bibiri sa enti ye kasa obuntie mumu se ijina ho magana fo bibiri enyira se so monika social media tumedi omudidi ye parliament no otumu se ehenipa bibiri agufu e social media se mo se mo ma osahene afenyo markings enkasa okasa no masona no okasa no masona no mipacho na papa we ne man so so be kasa musemu mpene afedie majority leader no on a control second deputy speaker no so ati ase it na se ye kwetena ase ye kasa afedie ka obehu se lawyer baafo ni bibisa questioner first deputy speaker was about overruling the man kasa Million John Nako the baby that also kasa was about overruling the man kasa me pacho nanka that what that a better no mukubi and so where to me anka bi another mo pese boka mo to me anka me pacho na vete na ye ko e so fast what they say na so fast what they say it one we are danke de bufu apa na pincha bebiu yes ye do kuba for bo ha adwen ewa yes baby if it be baby inya obo no mo de obo be yen kan statement ni inya obo.
You walk out of the vetting. Minim say eventually beba plenary honum ama modi hon komo. Papa de ke kwe de e na ya ombatwena fam. Obehye na dwuma ase a, do you have any means you will use to hold him to office na occupy say obey na dwuma say de also ye no?
De mra e ka si to me ye de ye be ye. Nimum Africasia no so ewo Ghana for ho. De koso yi so mu nyina mo hudi. Na se odi 187 seats ekoma party ba kwa. Senka onfa beye oban yi. Na niema na mususu senka enche yi no. Omo mesesa de mamo. Na se sei na omo de beye dia. The pacho de papeboa. Nge de papeboa. Iti ebu fakeseda sisi akujira Ghana for so. Omo hudi ekoso ya beboa. Yesere wo mo Ghana yi yo de Ghana mputu enti. Omo hu service aye niema bra ye koye diplo.
Lawyer Nana Eje Bafawa MP Mensha South. Away from the vetting, you've been a lawyer for many years. Again, I will share ni mu say your Chief Justice or bano on first and so na on sano in our justice delivery system.
The quality of our judges. I mean, Koma, CC, Koso, Ubisalo, Libya, or Gada, or Bekacho. I must say, the injustice delivery system, though, Sebe, Abafom Kaka, Ubia, Ubisalo, Libya, or Bekacho, and the abandoned to say Cadeno, and to say Cadeno. Inti, Yerisha, Ugo. Chief Justice our appointed that Oba Ako Afepe. Na said you also be research. You are for Chief Justice Oba Ako Afepa. Mr. Dear Pad will be to be dear Pad will be to Yassano. He said, dear body would dear, so so it would be a baffino. So be dear baby. Oh, to be Musu, Ebony, answer our call. Before for the part of the Badua near Ediaba or Baby Diano. Now I'll fat Ediabada near Juba. It will so put a giddy. We one who met with Gyro, not Ediabana. So it was Edrado. And only Adiabaqua was he Gray the key hopeful.
And then, sir, Obiadri Quayane, sir, and this Yamonokuna as a bino. If you say when you are to me, Ghana for do to Abama, Mutu, say ya. It might not be MP before in our position there, but a chair 2 minutes, sir. No be MPP, non so quite say, Ebia. Yes, to me, yes, how is it difficult, sir? You bet me 2 and a mona, yen politicize the judiciary, no?
Oh, say, party biado. Ubi the catcher say you both when you do, and your wasabi, or with that because he's through. Abribia wigger or more money a day, I'm very free, or more for body chair, the Gracie and the BSC. 80 years, yes, below Ubija Bill or party. And so, we dear Adiba Peda base, the Segada for the MP4. Si a Kesi gina yebeko so heresa sabi o manu egiyi ebe ti se kwan ho bode obi edruwa no watitibi sa otitibi a media sabi ebe kakra no bode no eyiri na ayekosa kosa so enti besrebo igina yenguni se yibuban na yimuma yeho yibuban chiriba iti bisa wo se de be ye de no ye de pesa be ba ebedi ebi huru no so se o pesa o ba be hu sa de a ye gina ye nka budi yiye na eyiye emi enka se dra wi ye se iti asu ye gene sa edo ema oban no enkodedi na afili bia ye de eyaw edo otare ede ya de emwa oban puntu.
Na many will mebusa say near ACC our memory parliament the air coso galamsey Jumayefo aketuantumu insecurity near the idea in all this na ebia Ghana for be hwe ho aka say MP before come back and rescue us and come back and continue what you were doing na tmachoka kreba mu no mon correct no. How do you expect some of these things to come to play when delegates are taking a decision about who leads the party to the 2028 presidential and parliamentary elections?
ebedi kai ebema Ghana for who say be MPP for the nipa body for sa ni nipa body for sa etosu yenu sa bredo wa mo na ni di enim na do dam ko ku fo ado de otumi sa anye dai ebebi de nu di edim ebi da na do dam ko abedi chi e de Dr. Babudu Baobia enti se de e kosui e kire wo se da MPP for ni nipa body for sa na kwan papa so da na enam wo hwe Dr. Babudu Baobia manifesto a wo ka se galabsedo o kwan foforo a obitimi dia faso a ni jiri Ghana for beka se e Dr. Babudu Baobia mara da niema no for so obitimi aye aba galabsedo no esi obra beye wo hwe sebe isika semo a ede gise ya pompe billions and billions of cedis billions and billions of dollars eba be stabilize no na Dr. Babudu Baobia se odo de o go for oil no na stabilize no abra sebi emfa kabo Kesi bia brega na mai wo hwe sebi corruption a ye na ye de NDC for akujira court na obuba ye na obude obe file no le prosecutor obe yi obu for free NDP for kwado obude obu kujira court a na kire wo secretary se de proye no sebi NDC bia utumi ye ketase she utumi ye proye na ye PPD bia ye no obe kwa kujira court na che sa akoye partisan editi the say Ghana for because MPP for one for partisanship nobody cool ketase se proye enti you are Dr. Babudu Baobia baby just see you know obna beto so tis a sad tie dia delegates ni who say odo ye bana kwaya sebi de ton de yefo aba sebi wetimi akofam kudibie e de abre.
To start with, we didn't walk out. We only stated our position that we are rejecting the nomination of Justice Paul Bafuboni as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Malaysia South people understand that we in Parliament work according to principles. And so they sent me to Parliament to ensure that I comply or work according to principles. One of the principles that the Malaysia South people have been made to understand by the current NDC administration, particularly the majority in Parliament, is that consistent with the standing orders of Parliament, when a matter is in court, you do not comment on it. That is the sub judice rule. In this instance, in the case of the Chief Justice, there are pending cases in court. The uniqueness of it is that this is a case where what is supposed to be decided by the court is whether or not the removal of Justice Tokonu was lawful. Now, if the court so decides that the removal is not lawful, what would happen, or one of the things that may happen, would be to reinstate Justice Tokonu. Now, if there is a successor to Justice Tokonu, that is a substantive successor to Justice Tokonu, what then happens is that there will be a fundamental question as to whether or not Justice Bafuboni, having been so appointed, having gone through the appointment procedure under the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, should be removed. It has already been determined in the case of the Ghana Bar Association versus the Attorney General that once a judge is appointed, the only procedure to remove the judge is by way of Article 146 procedure. Article 146 procedure does not include an order of the court. Therefore, if the Supreme Court or any court of our land were to so hold that the removal of Justice Gertrude Tokonu was unlawful, it simply means that it would be impossible to remove Justice Bafuboni unless you go through another Article 146 procedure.
Okay.
And we all know the grounds under which you can remove somebody, a judge, under Article 146 procedure.
Okay. I have questions I'm going to ask on that. But before then, when I said you walked out, you said you did not walk out. What did you do? If you did not walk out, I saw you walk out.